is Miss Jaden, and today we're going to do a really fun activity for the holidays. So, as we know, the holidays are coming just around the corner, and the first holiday coming up is Halloween, but the second one that we're going to be doing a project for today is for Thanksgiving. So, can anyone tell me what they eat for Thanksgiving? I know I eat turkey and mashed potatoes, and corn, and sometimes we eat bread, but our main dish is turkey. So today we are going to be doing a fun activity with a turkey. We are going to try and disguise a turkey. So I have this paper right here. I'm going to read it to you, and it kind of explains what we're going to be doing. So it says, disguise the turkey. So, see this little guy? His name is Tom, and he is a turkey. This time of year is really hard, and it's a tough time to be a turkey because many people eat turkey for Thanksgiving dinner. Well, Tom doesn't want to be eaten and says people should eat something else instead of turkey for Thanksgiving. So we are going to help Tom and go undercover to avoid being eaten this year. Please help Tom by dressing him up in any way that you want. Disguise him as something else so he doesn't get eaten. You can use scissors, glue, and anything you need to make him a convincing disguise. After you disguise him, fill in the blanks on the letter form to help Tom to help him suggest alternate dinner options for Thanksgiving. So, first, what we're going to do is we're going to take our turkey and we're going to disguise him. You can use fabric like this, or you can use just crayons and colored pencils and markers, or you can use paint. You can use anything that you want to use inside the classroom. And then after you are done, we are going to take a letter just like this. And I filled mine out for my Tom that I made. I'll show you him in just a second. But we are going to fill out this letter after we come up with some ideas, and then we're going to have a fun time. So, my Tom that I made is a gumball machine. So, Tom disguised himself as a gumball machine so he wouldn't get eaten. And let me read you the letter that he wrote. He said, "Dear Miss Jaden, my name is Tom, and I am a gumball machine. I am definitely not a turkey, but I like turkeys because they are cool and plump. This Thanksgiving, I would like to suggest that you eat filet mignon instead of turkey for dinner because filet mignon is tasty and it is a higher quality than a turkey. A turkey would make a great pet, even better than a dog, because turkeys are slow and soft. Please don't eat turkey. Please eat filet mignon instead. Signed, Tom, not a turkey." And this is what you guys are going to be filling out yourself. So I have a blank sheet for you as well, and you're going to be filling this out after we come up with some ideas. So can everyone get a piece of paper, a blank piece of paper and a pencil, and we are going to jot down some ideas that we can make for our Toms. Let me get my notebook. So, what are some ideas that you guys have to make for your Tom the turkey? Let's think of some disguises. So I know one could be maybe a tree. We can do a tree. He could hide as a dog. What else could he do? He could be a cheerleader. He could even be, let's think of some other things. Maybe he's a cat. He could be a unicorn. So take a minute, and I want you to come up with at least 3 different ideas that you like. And from those ideas, think about what your design could be when you are going to put it on paper and what materials you might use, and then you could pick the one that you like the best. So now, we're going to just take a second and do that. You can use, I didn't tell you guys this, but you can use any material that you want. So anything in our classroom. I use used these little puff balls right here. I have a ton more if you guys want to use some of them. I have fake flowers. I have glitter glue, lots of fun stuff. So one thing that we need to remember, if you do need to use the hot glue gun, I will help you with it because it gets really hot and I don't want you guys to burn your fingers. So you will just need to bring over your materials to me and I will help you put your materials on the paper and we will glue it on. Okay, so go ahead and start on your turkey, and then when you are finished, you will let me know and we will work on the disguising the turkey letter from Tom. Okay, now that you guys are done with your turkeys, I would like you all to come get a piece of paper and you will write in just one word per line, except for right here it says because blank. That one you need to have at least 5 words or a full sentence, and don't forget the period or exclamation point or question mark at the very end. Once you are finished with that, you can take your Tom the Turkey disguise and your letter. When they're both finished, come up to the front of the classroom, we'll form a line, and then we will each take a turn saying our letter from Tom and explaining what Tom is disguised as, and then I will hang it on the wall. Okay, thank you guys. You all did so good in class today. I'm really excited to see what you guys come up with, and we'll see you later. Bye.